Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add an email subscription feature on Google Sites using the updated 2026 layout. Google Sites doesn't have a built-in newsletter tool, but you can add one easily with Google Forms or services like MailChimp and ConvertKit. Start with Google Forms by creating a blank form, adding an email field, making it required, and turning on email notifications. Then just insert the form into Google Sites from the Forms tab. Resize it, add a title, and you're done. If you want something more advanced, you can use MailChimp, create an embedded form in MailChimp, copy the code, and paste it into Google Sites using the embed code option. Same thing with ConvertKit, create a form, copy the embed code, and drop it into your site. Preview everything, test a subscription, and publish your site. And that's it. That's how to add an email subscription feature to Google Sites for 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next